To get the new Apple Invites app on iPhone, follow these simple steps. Head over to the App Store. Now in the search box, type in the app name Apple Invites and then search for it. Once app appears, click on the option of Get. With that, you might need to type in your Apple ID's password or use your Face ID or the Touch ID. After you complete this verification process, the app will be downloaded. Once completion of its download process, you can launch the app. Welcome to Apple Invites. Click on Continue. This is a new application designed to streamline the creation and management of digital invitations. This app offers a range of features to enhance event planning and guest engagement. Click on Create an Event. And now you can fill up these and create an event and invite people, but you will need to upgrade to iCloud Plus. If you do have a subscription, you can fill out these and invite people through this app. Recipients can respond to invitations without an iCloud subscription or an Apple device. So that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can get the new Apple Invites app on iPhone.